Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry, brand new conversion. Easy to operate, low cost to maintain. It's a manual ramp and door. I can operate this entire conversion using just these two fingers. Check it out. These clamps, they keep the ramps from rattling, so I pinch and I flip. It has a handle on either side. So again, I pinch here and I flip here, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than most side entry vans. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, this rear entry might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out in your wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell the side entry if you're looking for one of those. We sell full-size vehicles. Check out our website. Let us know how we can help. 800-pound weight capacity. The van does taper to about 32 inches of width here where the ramp sets. We got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, and then once you're inside the van, we've got our deep cut here, so this will hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. We've got our spare tire in here. We've got our upgraded Q-strength tie downs. Now beware, a lot of our competition is selling a van without tie downs at all. You have to upgrade to buy those, or they sell you the cheap tie downs with the van, then you have to upgrade to the nice ones. We throw the nice ones in at no charge to you. Got cup holders in the back here for your passengers in the back. Headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls right there. And what these are flip base seats. So what you can do is you've got 2 seats up front, 2 seats in the second one, so you can do 4 plus a wheelchair slightly behind them. Or if you're looking to do this commercially, or even just have the passenger up closer to the front, let me show you a trick here real quick. So on our seats here, these are flip base seats. So I can put my armrests up here just like so, and then pull the seat down here. Be careful, the seat will move fast. So once you get started, yeah, see how fast that's dropped down? It'll smack you in the face, so be careful. Fold it down, and then we've got a little handle in here. I pull this out, and I pull the seat towards me. So let me set the camera down here for just a minute. Okay, and once I get it started, I just pull the seat up just like so. They'll flip up on their sides. And check it out, in a matter of seconds, you can have both seats flipped up. You can clear out the entrance here, or the entire channel, to get 2 chairs in here. Like I said, if you just got someone back here, a family member, and you want them closer to you, this allows that. Nice center console there. More plug-ins for your electronics, even more cup holders there. Got our dual climate control, our rear air. Can hook your auxiliary cord up to the radio there if you need to. And the dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes on the dash. You got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Your Q-strength tie down and information there as far as your warranty. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Again, super simple to do. 1 finger, check that out. Lift it up, clamp it down. Very little to go wrong on these conversions. And by the way, it comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do. That's fine, that's what they get paid to say. Like, what do you expect them to say, But ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are going to tell you 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some are going to tell you 3 years, 36,000 miles. Where if ours is 3 years unlimited miles, you tell me who has the better built conversion. It's got tinted windows in the rear. We put 4 brand new tires on this van. All brand new tires, all 4 of them. So good to go there. It's a nice clean van. It does have a little bit of touch-up paint here. Folks, this is 2016. I see a couple little tiny door dings about the size of my fingernail. You probably wouldn't even notice this stuff if I didn't tell you, but that's the reason I'm making these videos out here. You'll hear me say it again. My goal is to be 100% transparent with you. I want you to know exactly what I see. I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but I am trying to portray it as a very nice, very clean, affordable, well taken care of van. And that's one advantage of buying from me, is I'm the owner. I am buying from your perspective. This is my money. I'm not just some guy sitting behind a desk clicking a button buying vans. Don't care if it's a good deal. Don't care if it's been in a flood. I care about every single one of these vans. I'm putting my name on them, my reputation. That's the difference between buying from me and one of the dealerships where they just have a buyer, And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number sticker. Why I say that? There's a lot of scammers out there. What they're doing is they're taking pictures off the internet of my vans. They're cutting out the Mobility 316. They're literally selling my vans on the internet for, say, some ridiculously low price, $15,000, and they're trying to get you to put money down with your credit card to hold it. Once you put that money down, you're never going to hear from them again. They're going to scam you. So if you were to say to them, hey, I want you to make me a video of the VIN number right there with your name in it. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. This is my van. It's here in my possession. They couldn't do that because they don't own this van. They're probably not even in this country. They're simply online trying to scam people. So be aware, and if it seems too good to be true, you know it probably is. All right, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before I buy. You can see this vehicle has just minor damage on it. As we scroll down here, I don't know why Carfax does it like this sometimes. See this one row here? That means one owner. If it had 2 rows, there'd be 2 owners. 3 rows would be 3 owners. So this is a 1 owner. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a 1 owner with a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never deployed. Odometer is accurate and no open recalls. As we scroll down, it does show in April 2022, so almost 2 years ago. It does show minor damage. It says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had a bumper painted. You know, I don't do airbags, I don't do floods, I don't do bad frame damage. But this, again, minor damage. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and ratings. Look at us on eBay, 1,523 transactions. Been on here since November 2004, almost 20 years now. 100% positive feedback. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. You can see we're here in Wichita, Kansas, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time, they tell me horror stories about how they bought a van from a private individual, someone they knew nothing about with no ratings and reviews. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles all the time. When the police catch up to that vehicle, you don't get your money back. You got to give the van back. You're out the money. Or they end up buying from one of these dealers that got 1 and 2 and 3-star reviews right here. You know, folks, it takes 30 seconds to get online and look at somebody and make sure, A, that they're real, B, look at their reviews. So, you know, if you want to end up buying a van that might be stolen, might have major frame damage you weren't told about, salvage title, flood damage, major mechanical issues, you know, you deal with those 1 and 2 and 3-star dealers and those private individuals. If you want someone with a proven track record, you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van. I got 2 key fobs here. Got the keyless entry. As I enter the van, you see it's very clean. It's got this black cloth interior, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. Let me put these back seats down so you can look at those too. Okay, on the back seats you can see much of the same. Very clean. Also a little different perspective on the rear of the vehicle for those of you that might not be real familiar with these. So as I get inside the van, you can see 31,020 miles. So just turned 31,000 miles on this van. When I go to turn it on, you can see all the dummy lights work, and they all go out. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. Have a darn near full tank of gas. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We test all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. See the mirrors moving here. I'm going to show you the mirror over there. We've tested the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Of course, tires are brand new. Taking these on a road test. I'm even going to show you the back vents back there working. That one and the one back there in the corner. My point is, and I hope you can tell by my videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like a lot of places do. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, and it sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, no signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any oil or any fluid leaks, no signs of any rust, you know, from being up north, no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's only got 31,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood, and that's the most dangerous thing you can do. I got news for you folks, even brand new car dealerships get flooded. Brand new cars can have a flood damage, for example. Do not assume things. But what I do want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealership, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with somebody honest and reputable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? Do they get down on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less detailed video of the undercarriage, So you can see there's no bent metal under here from a bad accident, because there's no signs of water damage from a flood and so on. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. And tell me what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle that you can't get a title for because you're dealing with somebody that's shady. Well, you can't get a title, you can't register it. You just bought a van you can't even drive. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage from an accident, or a flood, and it won't pass inspection in your state? Again, you bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So before you buy from anybody, do 4 things. Demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Folks, this is not some $25 purchase. These are major purchases. Don't take them lightly. Second, demand a Carfax report. I know Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I pay that extra money because, again, I'm buying from your perspective. Carfax is the best. I want to know exactly what I'm getting. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and reviews. It takes 30 seconds to do that. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Go to any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. We make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty, and we stand behind our product to ensure that. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Runs and drives dang near like a brand new van. Do keep in mind, we do have the complimentary 90-day warranty at no additional charge to you. We do sell long-term warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years, or I'm sorry, with this year, 4 years and everywhere in between. So keep that in mind and let us know how we can affordably help you protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, but they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of shipping, by the time you add up all the hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they've got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, in attempts to be 100% transparent. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping. If you'd like to give us a phone call or a text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a direct line to my cell phone. Call or text anytime. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. Or do you just call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all the companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that aggressive, annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell this Caravan whether you buy it or not. So let us get you taken care of. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but it's a major purchase. There's a lot of information to show, and I'm trying to be as thorough as possible. If you would like to give us a thumbs up here on YouTube, we would appreciate that a lot. That'd help us out a little bit. If you want to give us a follow to be the first to see all of our upcoming inventory, you can do that as well. And if you ever do want to come in to visit us, we would love that, but you must have an appointment. We stay busy every second of the day. Call me, text me, make that appointment. Let us get the van or vans you want to look at all in one location, as we have 3 locations. Help us help you save some time, and we'll go from there, all right? And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. By the way, radio works, and I did give the van a hard brake coming down the ramps a couple times, so you can see there's no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration on this van. And then, as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call today and have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for checking us out.